One way to find errors in data is to sort it. This is the data from the MTEL call center that's emphasized in Chapter 1. We can see that we have a column. Column A has the ID number of the call, probably generated by the computer that records it. Column B tells us the hold time, the number of seconds that the customer was on hold before the call was answered. Column C tells us how many seconds the service lasted. Column D is the rating that the customer gave the consultant for their service on a scale of 1 to 5. Column E tells us the gender of the customer, and column F tells us the gender of the consultant. And column G tells us the experience of the consultant, which probably impacts the rating that he was given. Now, this first video is to show you how you can sort data. Notice right now that the data is sorted by the ID number over here in the left column. So it is sorted from small to large of the ID number. In other words, probably in order of the call. We are going to sort it by the consultant. We know that the consultants are either female or male, but let's see if there's any errors. So if you select the word consultant, you can right-click and say sort. You can sort it from A to Z or Z to A. Let's sort it from A to Z, and what do we notice? We find an error. There is no such thing as a D gender, so we suspect that this is a typo, and since the F is next to the D on the keyboard, we can logically assume that this was a typo and it was meant to be an F. So we would replace that D with an F, and that is how you find errors with sorts, because the errors will usually be at the top or the bottom of a sorting column.